You see this receipt right here? I'm about to show you how you can make 25 cents for every receipt that you get from here on out. It is very easy, and not only that, I'm going to show you proof. Watch this. All right, so here's the first app. Like I said, I'll leave the link to all 5 of these in the description. This is the first one. You're just taking a picture of the receipt on this one. You'll get paid anywhere between like 2 to 25 cents for each receipt. It doesn't really matter on any of these apps how much you spent or, how you paid for it. Just take a picture of it. Just make sure it's within the last 2 weeks on most of it. So what I'll do here, I'll click scan, and I'll just take a picture of the receipt here. Just showing you, like I said, you just make sure it's lined up. The entire receipt can be seen clearly in it. And like I said, all you do is make sure it's within the last 2 weeks, the receipt is clear. Making sure it's not a duplicate receipt. Don't take pictures of the same receipt because that will get your account deleted, and you'll just submit it. And right there, you got 12 cents. 12 cents will be added to your account. So now I'll go back, and basically the 12 cents will be added to my account instantly. It's not like you have to wait, a period of time, anything like that. Once you go back, kind of, a little ad will pop up, but you just go back to your account, and you'll see there, now I got $6.89, so my account went up. So the next app is called Checkpoints. There's a variety of things you can do in this app, actually. Scanning receipts is just one of the little things here. But when I'm on this app, I scan receipts. I can actually go in the store. You see there, scan barcodes. I can answer surveys. Like, there's a lot of different things you can do on this. But, for the purpose of this video, just showing you how to make 25 cents for each receipt, we're going to focus on the scan receipts part. So I'm going to click scan receipts, and you can take a picture of, have high value receipts or regular receipts. You get 5 points basically for any receipt. If you got a big purchase of like $100, of like a credit card, a debit card where you spent like a lot of money, you can get $100 for that. But just basically any of these stores, 5 points. But the thing is, it really doesn't matter what store you use, because you can use other retailers here, which I usually do. So I'll click on that, and the same receipt I'm using for all of these apps, by the way. Just take a picture of it, and like I said, the same qualifications matter. Hasn't been scanned before last 2 weeks, so you take a picture of it. It's going to pop up with all the information, and basically all you do from there is just submit it, and your receipt has been accepted, and there you get 5 points. Now 5 points in this app is probably equivalent to about 2 cents. So right here, now I'm on Inbox Dollars. Now again, it's another site where you can do multiple things. I'm actually on the mobile version of this. And you see there at the top, shopping receipts, earn 2 cents for each one of them. So I'll click on that. And I will just, right here where it says submit, I'll just take a picture of it. And again, same process, all of them. On this app, you can, pay 2 cents for each one of them. So I'll just take a picture of it. Then I'll kind of scroll down to submit. Just click on that, and you just wait for it to be submitted. It takes a few seconds or whatnot. And then you should see that you've been credited. Right there, congratulations, been credited instantly. It says some make it take up to 30 days, but that never happens. So then I'll just leave this, and now I'll go to the next app, which is the fourth one. This is called Fetch Rewards. Now, again, you could take pictures of any receipts, but this app also allows you to take pictures of things, of a variety of brands that you can buy on this app. But, like I said, just a regular receipt for this video. We'll just take a picture of it, and you just make sure the store, total, and date show up on it. So you'll see like a green symbols on all 3 of them. When you have that green on all 3, you can submit it, and you'll get 25 points usually for that, which is again equivalent to about 2.5 cents for that. So I mean, very simple. This app actually pays instantly, by the way. So the last app right here is called Receipt Pal. This is a really good app because you get paid 5 cents for each receipt. So I'll just take a picture of it again, like I've done in all the previous apps, just making sure it's clearly seen. And then once I feel like, it's good, I just go ahead and click submit, done. Submit again right here. And then just kind of wait for it to finish submitting. And then you'll see here, right there, it goes like to like a little clock, kind of like it's pending. It usually takes them maybe 30 minutes to an hour for them to actually, actually credit you. But they're just basically looking for, making sure that you haven't taken a picture of this receipt before. It's actually from a real store, not like, some receipt where you don't have, I don't know, just like, they just want to make sure it's a real store, and that you haven't taken a picture of this receipt was in the last 2 weeks. I'm kind of fumbling my words there, but just making sure it's clean. But you really won't have any problems with that as long as you just, as soon as you get a receipt, just use all 5 of these apps. Very simple. It takes you might be like 3 to 5 minutes, just depending on how fast you can go through them. But I just want to show you guys all 5 of these apps. I will leave all 5 of them in order in the description so you can sign up for them. They are all available on Android or iPhone devices. Easy money, 25 cents minimum for each receipt. There are a couple apps in there, like you saw that first one I got paid 12 cents. I think Checkpoint, that was 2 cents, so that is now 14 cents. Then I went to, I think that was Checkpoints. No, I did that already. I went to Coin Out, 12 cents. I went to Checkpoints, that's 5 cents, that equal to 2 cents. Then I went to Inbox Dollars, which is 2 cents. So now I'm at 16 cents. Was at the Receipt Pal, that's 5 cents, so that's 21. And then that middle receipt, that was Fetch Rewards, I believe, so that was 2 cents. But the thing is, on that Fetch Rewards and Coin Out, it varies in what they pay you. So just kind of be mindful of that. Those are the two that vary: Coin Out and Fetch Rewards. The other ones are basically straightforward. But you'll get paid sometimes more than that, sometimes less than that. But on average, you're gonna be making 25 cents a receipt. So download all 5 of these, put them in your routine whenever you get a receipt, because you get so many receipts on a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis. You might as well get paid for it. So like I said, sign up for all 5 of these. They are free and they are also in the description. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.